Hello traders, in today's video we're going to be looking at the Gorilla EA1 V5 for MT5. This is the latest version of this EA and is gaining attention in the community. So let's break down what the developer claims, how the strategy works, and what my backtest actually showed. Alright, before we dive into today's EA, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5. It has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. So let's get right into it. From the MKL5 page, you can see the Gorilla EA1 V5 is a fully automated trading system designed for the MetaTrader 5 platform. It uses a combination of technical indicators and algorithmic logic to identify high probability trading opportunities across various market conditions. The EA focuses on precise entries with built-in risk management. It aims to capture trends or mean reversion setups while keeping drawdowns controlled. Version 5 likely includes improvements in adaptability, filtering, or trade management based on user feedback from previous versions. Right, so as you can see, the developer says it combines three independent trading engines with grid-based position management, loss progression, basket take profit calculation, and optional equity protection. And it says each strategy operates with its own magic number, allowing positions to be tracked and managed separately. The EE is completely free and does not contain time limits, account restrictions, or demo limitations. So, we've already spoken about some of the main features: fully automated trade execution, independent trading engines, three of them, buy and sell trading support, grid and averaging position management, configurable distance between additional entries, adjustable lot progression. We also have the fixed lots and money management modes, separate magic numbers for each strategy, automatic broker lot normalization, margin and trading condition checks, and real-time charts information panel. All right. It makes use of multi-time frame market dashboard. The built-in dashboard provides a visual overview of market conditions across multiple time frames. Can use it on your M1, M5, M15, M30, hourly, 4 hours, or the daily time frames. And the panel displays information based on MACD, RSI, CCI, stochastic, moving averages, market trend direction, current spread, daily volatility, open positions, and account balance and equity. Right, so the dashboard is designed as an additional market monitoring tool, but the trade is handled automatically by the EA according to its configured strategy parameters. Right, so we can see that is recommended to test it in the strategy tester first, which I've actually done. I was opportunity to test it and carry out my own back test on the EA, which we'll get to very soon. Once we are done with the developer claims, so we see if it actually holds up. Like I said, it's advisable to run it on a demo account. Start with the lowest suitable lot size. Adjust the settings according to the symbol, account balance, and broker conditions. Also enable equity protection when additional risk control is required. Alright, so they said the MT5 version is best suited to a hedging account because the strategy may manage multiple positions on the same symbol. So we can see how the backtest result looks test by the developer. Right, let's take a look at the equity curve. So we see how it looks kind of smooth. It's moved sharply to the upside, sparing the little volatility here and there, the little drawdowns. Or it kind of looks like a straight upward 45-degree line. So it shows solid performance overall. But we're not going to take this at face value. We are going to compare it now to my own personal back test and see if it actually holds true to what the developer claims. All right. So heading over to MT5. Okay. I was opportune to test the EA on the EUR-USD pair on the M1 time frame for the custom period of a year, ranging from the 1st of April 2025 to the 1st of April 2026. And looking at my back test on a 10K account, you can see that the equity curve shows overall positive growth with some minor pullbacks, ending nicely in profits. Deposit load indicates regular but controlled trading activity. As for the stats, we had a net profit, or rather, yes, we had a net profit of 20.51. We also had a profit factor of 1.82. We had very low drawdowns around 0.87 for the equity drawdowns. And then we had a balance drawdown of 0.24%. Right? So the recovery factor and Sharpe ratio look solid. Looks like a clean performance with excellent capital preservation. So compared to typical developer claims, my results align well, modest but consistent gains with minimal risk. The low drawdown is particularly impressive and matches the focus on protection. The graph doesn't show exactly the kind of 45-degree angle line we have on the developer's page, but we still managed to end in profits, though little, especially considering the size of the initial deposits. So the thing is, while this test period was favorable, real markets can be tougher, but the stats suggest good risk-adjusted returns. Honestly, the features that matter most are the risk settings, loss sizing, and using it on recommended pairs and timeframes. The core algorithm seems well tuned for consistency. As for the nuances and hidden risks, even with low drawdowns in tests, live trading can bring slippage, spreads, and unexpected volatility. Broker execution matters. Confitting is always a possibility, so forward testing is essential. In practice, start small and monitor closely, especially during major news events. So, who is this actually for? This is for traders who prioritize capital preservation and steady growth over aggressive gains. It's great if you want a reliable automated system and are willing to let it run with proper risk parameters. You should avoid this EA if you're looking for high frequency scalping with huge monthly returns, if you can't commit to monitoring and occasional optimization. Overall, Gorilla EA1 V5 showed strong risk control and positive results in my test. At its price point, which is actually free, is worth testing on demo with your broker. Promising performance, but always trade responsibly. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more honest EA reviews, and let me know in the comments which EA to review next. Don't forget to grab that free Forex robot from the description too. Trade safe out there, and I'll see you in the next one.